I built this automated workflow specifically to help real estate agents and firms instantly upgrade their property listing photos without lifting a finger. So the workflow automatically pulls in new images from the Google Drive, and we use AI to upscale them to up to 4K. And we after that we mathematically calculate the right spot to embed our agency logo on top of the property image just to watermark that particular property image. And after that we re-upload everything to the drive back. So this particular automation system completely eliminates the need for manual repetitive photo editing, and it completely gives you the premium vibes ready to publish branded assets in seconds. So let me just give you the demo first, and after that I will explain you how the data will flow from node to node from the beginning to the ending. Let us test the system live. So I'm going to upload a new image right here. And after 1 minute, the workflow will get triggered automatically. Let's just wait for something. And before that, after processing the image, it will be automatically saved in the processed folder. And after that, it will simply save the image name so that we don't process the same image multiple times, even in the worst case scenario. So for now, let us simply wait for the workflow to get triggered because we simply poll the whole thing for every single minute. Okay, the workflow was running. Okay, perfect. And let us just verify the processed folder. And okay, this is the upscaled image, and this is the 4K. I mean, sorry, this is the agency logo that we simply embedded right here. So nothing serious about it. And the Google Sheet also save the file name so that we don't, duplicately process the same image multiple times to save the API credits and the AI, costs and all. So yeah, this is how the system will work in production. Okay, now let me just explain you how the system will work and how the data will flow from node to node from the beginning to the ending. So firstly, there is this Google Drive trigger, and it was connected to the image real estate folder right here. And the trigger will only work whenever the file was created, not when the file was edited or anything. Only when the file was created in this particular folder. Okay. After that, we will check against whether if that particular image was already processed or not by this particular Google Sheet node. And for that, we simply use a filter for image name and the process it as true or not. So if the image was not processed, it will simply return this empty item like this. And we will check against whether there is exactly whenever there is an empty row or empty output from the Google Sheet, then it simply means that particular field is empty. So we will check exactly that. We will check whether the row number is empty or not. So because there is the empty output from the Google Sheet, then it simply returns as true. So which really means the image was not already processed. So yeah, and after that we will be simply downloading the file as binary right here. And after that, for pushing the image to the Gemini's you know AI model, we just have to convert it to the base 64 string because binary attachments were not supported by the Gemini models, at least via API for now. And after that, you know, we will be simply sending this whole, know, image to the Gemini 2.5 flash image model. And the LLM will simply return the base 64 format too. And after that, we will be simply converting the base 64 format to the binary because in n8n, the binary format was actively used, not the base 64 format. So we had to convert that whole outputted base 64 format from the AI model to right here. Okay, and after that we will be simply downloading the logo which we are about to, embed or add on top of this upscaled 4K image, and we will calculate the exact right spot for us to simply embed our agency logo with this particular code node. You can simply give this particular code to the AI model to have an edit and all. So yeah, and after that we will pass the dynamic x and y positions to right here. So and after that it will simply gives us this combined image, which was nothing but this is the upscaled 4K image, and this is the you know this is our agency logo for an example. Just for an example, I simply gave that particular sample image, so nothing so serious. You can simply edit this particular code by using simply ChatGPT or Claude or Gemini, and simply edit and adopt to your own personal needs, so that it will simply change the particular position and the whole thing out there. And after that, we will be simply uploading the end file, which was nothing but this particular file, which was the end photo, uploaded to the processed folder inside the image real estate folder. So after that, it will simply save it right here. Just have a look. Yeah. So the image, I mean, the logo was all, will also be saved. And after that, we will be simply log the whole thing into our Google Sheet right here. Simple Google Sheet. So nothing so serious. So it will simply save the exact file name, and it will simply turn the processor as true. So yeah, this is how the whole system will work. And that's it for today.